Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to create professional documents like resumes, reports, worksheets or printable PDFs in 2026, Canva makes it fast, simple and visually polished, okay, without needing Microsoft Word or design skills. Ready-made documents, templates, drag and drop editor, modern fonts and layouts, easy PDF exports. In this guide I will show you step by step how to create a document in Canva 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva, of course, log into your account, click create, search for documents, okay, or sheets, okay. So we have here documents, so we will, it's better to tap documents, it's more accurate. So select the formats, choose the correct page size for printing or sharing, okay. So here, as you can see, we have on the left sidebar we have templates, so tap templates, browse or search styles like, for example, resume, business reports, worksheets, proposal, okay, whatever. So for example, let's choose click a template to apply it. So templates give your documents a professional look instantly, okay. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.